Hello students, I am Dr. Sushil Narkhede from Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik. Today we are going to learn about heterocyclic compound pyrazole. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students should able to draw and explain structure of pyrazole, outline and summarize method of preparation and reactions of pyrazole. Recall medicinal uses of pyrazole. So these are the minimum expectation from student by a teacher. Now let us we understand about the heterocyclic compound pyrazole. First of all, we will do start with the structure study of pyrazole compound. Now here, the structure of pyrazole molecule is displayed. Pyrazole is 5-member heterocyclic compound consisting of 2 heteroatoms, and both heteroatom are nitrogen. These nitrogens are present at position number 1 and 2, and hence this pyrazole can also be called as 1,2-diazole. The numbering of pyrazole ring system start with the nitrogen atom which is bonded with the proton, that is NH. Numbering in pyrazole system starts from NH. The nitrogen with hydrogen atom, nitrogen which attached to hydrogen, carries first number. Then second nitrogen have second number, third, 4 and 5. So in this way, numbering of pyrazole ring system can be done. This pyrazole heterocyclic ring found in pharmaceutical drugs and chemicals. It does not occurs naturally. This pyrazole ring system does not found naturally. It consists of a 3 carbon and 2 nitrogen. Both are sp2 hybridized. Nitrogen and carbon in pyrazole ring system are sp2 hybridized. The sp2 orbital overlap with each other, and s atomic orbital of hydrogen forming Cc, Cn, NH and CH sigma bond in pyrazole ring system. Linear overlapping of sp2 hybrid orbital with one another and s atomic orbital of hydrogen form sigma bond in pyrazole ring system. All these sigma bonds lies in one plane. Therefore, pyrazole molecule is planar molecule. Now, when carbon is sp2 hybridized, nitrogen is sp2 hybridized, it possesses unhybridized pz orbital, and parallel overlapping of unhybridized pz orbital, or we can say p orbital, produces pi bond or pi molecular orbital, which contains 6 electrons, which contains 6 electrons. Lone pair of electron on nitrogen without hydrogen do not participate in pi molecular orbital formation. So in pyrazole ring system, two nitrogens are present. One is attached to hydrogen and another is without hydrogen. So lone pair of electron on nitrogen without hydrogen is out of pi molecular orbital. And lone pair of electron on nitrogen attached to hydrogen is involved in pi molecular orbital formation. This you have to remember. Now look at the aromaticity of the pyrazole ring system. Pyrazole is cyclic. Yes, it is cyclic. It is planar because all the sigma bond lies in one plane. It consists of alternate double bond, single bond, double bond. It consists of an alternate double bond. And it follows Haskell rule, means 4n plus 2 is equal to 6 electrons. The number 6 comes from the number of electron present in the pi molecular orbital of pyrazole ring system. It is 6. Therefore, the equation of Haskell rule becomes 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. So 4n is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. And n is equal to 1. The value of n comes 1. Means Haskell rule is fully satisfied by the heterocycle pyrazole. So all the criteria for aromaticity is satisfied by the pyrazole, and we can say about pyrazole, it is aromatic compound. So from this explanation, it is clear that pyrazole is aromatic compound. Now we know that pyrazole is aromatic compound. So aromatic compound shows resonance, exhibit resonance. So let us understand about the resonance structure of pyrazole compound. Lone pair of electron on nitrogen delocalized throughout the ring system and pyrazole exhibit resonance. We know that two nitrogens are present in the pyrazole ring system and it consists of lone pair of electrons. One is involved in pi molecular orbital formation and second one is out of pi molecular orbital. So the lone pair of electron which is outside the pi molecular orbital formation is free and it delocalized throughout the ring system. Therefore, pi bond present in the pyrazole ring system delocalize from one place to another place. And in this way, the pyrazole ring system shows resonance structure or show resonance effect. And this resonance structure, possible resonance structures of pyrazole ring system are given over here. So all the resonance structure are only possible due to delocalization of pi electrons. Now we will understand about the tautomerism in pyrazole ring system. So these are the structures of pyrazole compound. So what is tautomerism? Tautomerism means internal shifting of proton from one atom to another atom. We know that pyrazole ring system consists of two nitrogen. One is having hydrogen and another is without hydrogen. So this hydrogen atom on first position can be shifted to second hydrogen atom, can be shifted to second position, can be shifted on second nitrogen atom. So over here, this hydrogen is going to shift on nitrogen atom over here. And the structures look like this. So when nitrogen shift on another, when hydrogen shift on another nitrogen atom, nitrogen with hydrogen carries number 1, and the numbering system of the pyrrole ring system, pyrazole ring system is going to change. So pyrazole ring system shows tautomerism. This tautomerism arises because of the shifting of proton from one nitrogen to another nitrogen. And this shifting is continuous, reversible. So these two different tautomers are possible for pyrazole ring system. And you have to remember, because of internal shifting of proton from one nitrogen to another nitrogen, pyrazole ring system exhibit tautomerism. Now we will understand about the various method of preparation, or we can say about synthesis of pyrazole heterocyclic compound. So first method of preparation is condensation of hydrazine with beta carbonyl compound. Condensation of hydrazine with beta carbonyl compounds. So acyl acetone is beta carbonyl compound used in this method. This acyl acetone condense with hydrazine at carbonyl carbon, leading to ring closure and gives substituted pyrazole compound. Look at this reaction. This is acyl acetone react with hydrazine. So this nitrogen atom, both the nitrogen atom present in hydrazine, condense with this carbonyl group and this carbonyl group, and thereby undergo ring closure, and this ring form after the condensation of acyl acetone and hydrazine is 3,5-dimethyl pyrazole, that is substituted pyrazole. So methyl group in acyl acetone appears as a substituent on the pyrazole ring system. So this is first method of preparation of pyrazole. Second method, from acetylene and diazomethane. From acetylene and diazomethane. By passing acetylene into cold ethereal solution of diazomethane, pyrazole can be produced. Look at this reaction. This top one is acetylene, and the below is that diazomethane. So this acetylene, upon reaction with diazomethane, here is a formation of a new bond between CH of acetylene and CH2 of diazomethane, and CH, another CH of acetylene and nitrogen of diazomethane, and thereby it lead to formation of this hydrated pyrazole ring system. So subsequently, the hydrogen from this CH2 group shift on adjacent nitrogen, and therefore these pi electrons are shared in between carbon and carbon, and this pi electron between nitrogen and nitrogen are shifted in between carbon and nitrogen, leading to formation of pyrazole ring system, pyrazole heterocyclic. So in this way, acetylene and diazomethane condense together, and subsequently proton transfer lead to formation of pyrazole ring system. This is the third method of preparation of pyrazole compound, decarboxylation. In this method, decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, decarboxylation of pyrazole carboxylic acid at 300 degrees centigrade gives pyrazole compound. In this method, pyrazole carboxylic acid is heated at about 300 degrees centigrade, and removal of this COOH group takes place. All the three COOH group are removed from this ring system, and it left behind only pyrazole heterocycle. So these COOH groups are removed in the form of CO2, thrice CO2, thrice CO2, and it left behind pyrazole heterocycle. So decarboxylation of pyrazole carboxylic acid at higher temperature, 300 degrees centigrade, yield pyrazole compound. Third method of preparation. Now we will understand about the various chemical reactions of pyrazole ring system. So this one is the structure of pyrazole ring system. Pyrazole is remarkably stable and more basic in nature as compared to pyrazole. Pyrazole is more stable and more basic as compared to pyrazole. It exhibits aromatic properties more than thiophene. It is more aromatic than thiophene. In electrophilic substitution reaction, for example, halogenation, nitration, and sulfonation, the electrophile enters at position 4, this position, due to larger pi electron density on C4 carbon atom. So, pyrazole ring system undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, and the substitution of electrophile takes place at C4 position. This you have to remember. Now let us see the first reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction of pyrazole, acylation. The iminohydrogen of pyrazole nucleus may be replaced by acyl group. Here, N-acylation is preferred over 4-acylation. We are doing study about acylation of pyrazole. So acylation of pyrazole, acylation reaction is given over here. Pyrazole react with acetic anhydride, and we are observing in the reaction acyl group is going to substitute on first position in place of hydrogen atom. So this characteristic, this different nature of acylation reaction we have to remember. We know that pyrazole undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at position 4. But over here, acylation, electrophile substitution, that is substitution of acyl group, is taking at N1 position rather than NC4 position. So when we are doing the acylation of pyrazole ring system, we have to remember that the acyl group from acetic anhydride substitute on imino hydrogen, that is on first nitrogen atom. Hydrogen over here is replaced by acyl group. So acylation does not occur at C4 position. It occur at N1 position. So therefore it is called as a N-acylation. The second electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation. Halogenation involves reaction with chlorine. Substitution of chlorine takes place at C4 position to form 4-chloropyrazole. Look at this reaction. Pyrazole is doing reaction with chlorine, and substitution of chlorine is taking place on the 4th position, C4 position, giving rise to the product 4-chloropyrazole. So here electrophile substitution takes place on C4 position. Substitution of halogen takes place on C4 position. Halogenation of pyrazole ring system. Third reaction, nitration. Pyrazole can be nitrated using concentrated nitric acid. Substitution of nitro group takes place at C4 position to form 4-nitropyrazole. So pyrazole, when react with concentrated nitric acid HNO3, a nitrating agent, substitution of NO2 group takes place at C4 position, and it gives a product 4-nitropyrazole. The next reaction, sulfonation. Sulfonation of pyrazole is carried out by using fuming sulfuric acid. Substitution of sulfonic acid, that is SO3H group, takes place at C4 position to give pyrazole 4-sulfonic acid as a product. Look at this reaction. Pyrazole react with fuming sulfuric acid, and substitution of SO3H sulfonic acid group takes place on C4 position, gives a product pyrazole 4-sulfonic acid. The next one is reduction reaction. Pyrazole can be reduced upon reaction with hydrogen in presence of catalyst. We can set this reaction as a catalytic hydrogenation also. First, it forms pyrazolene, and then pyrazolene under same reaction condition convert into pyrazolidine. So look at this reaction. Pyrazole upon reaction with hydrogen in presence of catalyst. Addition of hydrogen takes place across the double bonded carbon atom. So this double bond is going to disappear. Means over here hydrogen addition takes place. So this is 4,5 dihydropyrazole, or we can say it as a pyrazolene. So this pyrazolene under the same reaction condition again react with the hydrogen, and now the addition of hydrogen takes place across the carbon and nitrogen. So here it lead to formation of hydrogen addition. This is hydrogen attached to nitrogen. So all the double bond disappear from the pyrazole ring system and it converts into single bond. So this structure of pyrazole, reduced form of pyrazole, is known as pyrazolidine or pyrazolidine heterocycle, saturated heterocycle. So upon reduction, pyrazole converts into pyrazolene and pyrazolidine. This you have to remember. The last one, medicinal uses of pyrazole. This pyrazole ring system is used in making of COX-2 inhibitor, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, COX-2 inhibitor, celecoxib. It consists of this heterocycle pyrazole over here. This is pyrazole ring system in celecoxib. Second one, erectile dysfunction, sildenafil. So it consists of this pyrazole ring system. Third one, difenamizole, a fungicidal drug. It consists of pyrazole ring system. NSAID, Lonasdac. It consists of a pyrazole ring system. VEGFR inhibitor drug. It consists of a pyrazole ring system. Cannabinoid receptor antagonist, rimonabant. It consists of a pyrazole ring system. So these are the various drugs that consist of a pyrazole ring system. Pyrazole ring system. And you have to remember such a structure and medicinal importance of pyrazole compound. I hope all of you understand about the pyrazole ring structure, resonance, tautomerism, synthesis procedure, reactions, and medicinal importance of pyrazole heterocycle. Thank you and happy learning.